Hi there, please welcome. This is Mr. John, who can be used to demonstrate all surgeries related to human digestive system. Okay, here we go. This surgery simulator was made by using foam and silicone mainly, so all parts are very flexible and each parts are connected with magnetic, therefore any parts can be removed and attached easily. So this simulator can be used to educate the student nurse, medical student and the patient who are waiting for their surgery and their relatives also.
Okay, as I told, these all parts are flexible and removable and replaceable, and also each parts can detach and attach. This is the technique we use to perform surgery. You want to remove this ascending colons is called right hemicolectomy. So we can resect from here and resect from here. Just forget this part. So this both stump you have to connect. It means ileocolic anastomosis. This is the technique. So we can replace back after explaining very quickly and attach here and attach here. This is the way using these techniques, and we'll see another example. When tumor is found in the sigmoid colon, the treatment is sigmoid colon is removed. So how to do it? Resection are done from here and rectum side and is removed. Sigmoid colon is completely removed, and this stump mobilized to here, rectum and anastomosis. So colorectal anastomosis. This is the sigmoidectomy. After explain, we can replace back very quick and clip here, and the entire colon again can connect. So this is the way how to explain sigmoidectomy. Now we'll see how to do loop ileostomy. A loop of ileum is pulled out through this right side abdominal incision. This section of ileum is apply incision and open up, stitch to the skin to form a stoma. So this is the final appearance of stoma. There's a two opening. One is proximal end. Proximal end always from the stomach side, so active. The distal end towards the colon, so inactive. So after several months we can reverse it back. So how to do reversal ileostomy? Incision is made around the stoma, then we can section of ileum can pull out, then this two edges we can keep back together and apply stitches, then the connected loop can push back to the abdominal cavity and close the incision. This is the way how to do reversal of ileostomy. Like this we can perform all of the other surgeries also, colostomy and heart mount procedure, Whipple procedure, any kind of surgeries can perform using this simulator very quickly and very easily.